All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today, we just got down to the car. I ate breakfast. We sold 100 pairs of shoes today to Tony's old wrestling coach. That was amazing. So, like, almost $5,000 order. Yeah, I'm so happy. When that order came in, I was like, oh my God. I might not have to invest any money into the next pairs of shoes that are coming in. So, quick backstory, we're designing the skate shoes. I actually just finished the final touches, which, like, when you think of designing shoes, it's not as simple as come up with a design. There's so many details, like what material is this, and what material is this, and like, how big should we make this little emblem, and like, do we put lacelets or eyelets, or what are we doing here? Like, there's so many things that go involved with it. But I'm pretty sure we got all of the final touches done last night. So skate shoes are samples being made right now. I'm super excited about those. So anyways, today I got a quick tip for anyone who's looking to lose weight. We're doing a quick fitness tip because fitness tips was one of the highest selected when I asked people what they like most about my channel. Fitness tips came in second. So fitness tip for you guys: every time you eat, just do a quick workout. You know, when you eat calories, you want to put them to use. You know, you want to actually have your body use those calories that you just consumed. Otherwise, it's just going to turn into fat. So what I do is every single day after I eat breakfast, I'll go and I'll do like a quick 20-minute workout or so. That way I at least put those calories to use and something's coming from it, you know, otherwise just turn it into fat. So that's my quick tip for the day. Just try to work out every time you eat. Just even if it's a quick, like, do like 20 squats or something like that. Just do it. Okay, anyways, be right back. I gotta drive a little bit over because I like to drive to this next dashing area. The one I'm in, Walmart just totally has ruined that dashing area. There's too many Walmart orders, so I'm driving to the area with no Walmart. Be right back. Alright, so my strategy on dashing in this area is I just go to this place called Black Bear Diner. If you've never heard of it, it's a pretty popular breakfast place, I would say. I guess pretty popular, like, all around place. But anyways, there's a bunch of restaurants near it, and that's just the place that I've been getting a lot of orders. So we're driving over there right now. Rule number one, if you want to make more money on Doordash, is drive to a good area where you can get lots of orders. So I either have two choices. If I'm in the South Reno area, I'll drive down to the outlet mall. I don't think it's called an outlet mall. I think it's just a regular mall. There's tons of orders there, but it's a little bit further to drive to. And in this area, which I believe is the dashing area, is Reno, I just drive over to Black Bear Diner because there's a bunch of other restaurants. There's like the Atlantis Casino and all kinds of other stuff around it. So, oh my God, $13 from IHOP. What? Oh no. Oh no. So we got $13 order. There's two. What's 13? So that's basically two $6 orders. Hold on, let me turn on my Para thing, because if one of these is not tipping, I will not take it. But if they both have a decent tip and they're like split in half, I'll take it. So let's see. Come on. Offer history. Come on. Refresh. Okay. Yep, see, here's the thing. Oh no. Wait a second. Oh, it's a good one. We're doing it. Double order. Thank you, Para. So what Para just showed me was one of these has an $11 tip. So they're advertising, look, it says it's basically $2 a mile. Whenever it's more than $2 a mile, they usually hide what's over $2 a mile. So Para, thank you, Para, real quick. Para shows me that the order from IHOP has a $5 tip. Total is $7.50. And the order from Chicago Pizza has a $9 tip. So making it like, what do you say, 20? It's about $19 order for the two of them. So if you go through the offer history on Para, definitely clutch, you know, super handy. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you click on that link down below, download the Para app. Tip transparency comes in clutch, especially moments like this where you're debating like, $13 for for 4 miles for 2 orders. It's like, should I take it? And then you open Para and you realize, oh, it's actually a lot closer to $20 for 2. So definitely worth it in my case. So we're going to IHOP. We're going to do this order. I'm actually getting so used to these glasses, I totally forgot that I was wearing them. But whatever. It's they're blue blocker glasses. I'm trying to not look at my phone so much because I've been noticing that I've been getting like, not really headaches, but like my eyes get like tired because like I'm on the computer all day long, and when I'm not on the computer, I'm looking at my phone, and it's like pretty much 2 out of my 3 businesses require me to be on the computer, so I'm constantly looking at it. When I'm video editing, I'm like, I tend to find myself like looking super close at like all the sound bits and trying to cut on the sound pieces and all that stuff and like get the timings right and all that. Yeah, I don't know. If you edit videos, you know what I'm talking about. You're like this and you're like, and by the end you notice you're like, oh, why am I so close to the computer screen, you know? Anyway, so that's one of my issues. But yeah, again, shout out Para. I was probably gonna deny that order, and that would have been a big mistake because it looked meh. It looked like an average order, but now I see it, I'm like, this is a perfect order. We can do 1 and done and be done with Doordashing after this. So can't complain. Anyways, be right back. Where's the one lady work? IHOP. Ha, just kidding, dumb. We're at IHOP. I think that was too exposed for you to see it, but we are at IHOP. Gonna pick up this order real quick. We are a bit early. Let's see, what time is the pickup time? We're 5 minutes early, so I'm gonna walk in real quick. Definitely not wearing, what would you call it? Doordash appropriate attire, but it's 92 degrees. Whatever, it's freaking hot. I'm gonna go grab this order real quick. So, apologies to those of you who get mad at me for dashing in cutoff t-shirts. It is what it is. All right, got them. Got both the orders. We are now rich, baby. Well, I guess we're not rich yet, but we're gonna be rich soon. So, let's see. This order delivers 1.1 miles away to looks like it's delivering to a house, I think. Kind of might not be a house though. All right, so delivering this first order from IHOP. Let's go. Be right back. Oh, there goes the 2 liters. Sorry, customer, they're gonna be a little bit shaken up. All right, bit of confusion there. They were like, this isn't enough. We ordered more. And I'm like, I can read off your order if you'd like. They're like, yeah, read it off. So I read it off, and they're like, oh, this pizza deal only comes with 2. It's like, I don't know. Anyways, they were like, they thought they were getting like a better deal or something like that. I'm like, I'm just reading off the order, and this is what you got. And then they're like, oh, okay, I guess we misread it. They were all freaking angry at first. I was like, oh, hell no, you're not gonna get angry at me. Just kidding, I don't care. I was like, nope. I read the order off there, and I'm reading off to you, and this is what you got, you know? I guess they thought they were getting 2 pizzas, and it was actually medium pizza split in half. Yeah. But anyways, so this next order, apparently, as I'm looking, it says delivered to Planned Parenthood front desk. Very controversial place to go, I guess. But anyways, we're going to Planned Parenthood. I guess we're gonna see some, I don't know. I don't think I should comment on this one. I have mixed feelings about Planned Parenthood. But anyways, so delivering to Planned Parenthood, I guess maybe that lady that the one-legged waitress, maybe she works, or maybe she's at Planned Parenthood. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's go to Planned Parenthood. Be right back. Real quick, shout out to everyone who is subscribed to the channel. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. We are 1 follower away from, or subscriber away from 9,000. Pretty excited about that. Man, it freaking took me so long to get to 1,000 and then 2,000, and then it was like the last basically like 5,000 has gone up like pretty quickly. We're averaging like 900 subscribers a month, which is amazing that people actually want to watch this content. So I hope that I can bring value to you guys, and I hope that you're learning something, because my whole goal with this whole channel has always been to help people and to put out as much free information as I possibly can to hopefully make your guys' life a little bit easier. And I love seeing in the comments what you guys have learned, and like anytime I see positive feedback, I'm like, thank you. That is so, it's very rewarding whenever you see people gaining joy out of watching your content, you know? I put a lot of work into this channel, like 10,000 hours plus. I've put in an insane amount of work for the fact that I'm just barely able to start making a living off of YouTube. I've put in like 4 years for free, basically. YouTube has been a struggle bus for sure, but it's finally now starting to pay off. Anyways, we'll see you guys as soon as we drop off this order. I got a message from Tony Ferguson. What's up? Oh, he's talking about the order that he, that $4,000 or $5,000 order that came in. Yeah. Alright, just dropped off the order, and that is going to wrap up today's video. I got another video I'm going to react to right now with the Doordash president. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, subscribing, viewing, commenting, all that good stuff. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Drive safe.